Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Alright guys, today's show I was going to a couple people. I asked you for some video suggestions, and I said you'd be featured in one of my videos, so here we go. We got adhesive_fade and Nonix Slayer. Thank you guys for giving me some ideas, and let's hop into the video. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today's going to be just a short video. It's not really an update video, it's just kind of like just talking about YouTube, talking about my channel, and talking about the problems that I've seen with YouTube. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. I've noticed, guys, that it just seems that YouTube, and I know other people complain about this too, I'm not the only one, but YouTube is always struggling to put out or notify people when I upload. And I can see this in most of my videos because a lot of the times, like, I have over 7K subs right now, and I only get around like 100 views per video. So when you do the math, that's very, very slim view to subscriber ratio. Usually if you have like around like 10-20%, that means you're in really good shape, but mine's way below that. Just one of the reasons I think is because I upload a variety of content and not everyone enjoys my content. People like different stuff, which makes sense, but this is a little extreme when it comes to a YouTube channel. And I think it's partly that I upload different kinds of content, like I do tutorials and product reviews, so some people may like one thing and not like another, but to me it's just a little strange how on some of my videos, not all videos, some videos do really well, but on just some videos, man, like, it just seems that YouTube's just like not letting anyone know about my video being uploaded. I can usually tell because after a certain amount of, I usually get a certain amount of views within the first hour or so, and I usually can tell if it's going to be doing well. And sometimes just like YouTube, and I just look at my view count, and it's just like not going up at all. I'm just thinking, I have over 7K subs and no one's seeing this. Like, I find that really surprising. So I have a feeling that YouTube's kind of screwing me over in this sense and just not pushing out my videos to my subscribers. So main message here is, like, guys, if you want to see my videos, and I have a feeling you're not seeing all my videos that I upload, because I have been uploading rather consistently lately. I've been trying to get up like 3-4 videos a week if I can. And by the way, during the summer, I'm going to be uploading so much more, guys, so stay tuned for that, and make sure you're subscribed for those videos. I'm going to be uploading some awesome content. So yeah, guys, if you really want to watch my videos and be notified, you guys got to hit that notification bell down below. Like, that's literally the only way YouTube will notify you, because it seems these days the subscribe button means absolutely nothing. And this happens with bigger channels too. I see bigger YouTubers complaining about this all the time, how their video just does not get pushed out, and they're like, their view count is so low, and then the ad rates are really low, so most YouTubers aren't making nearly as much money as they used to. So it's just all a big problematic cycle, if you will. So guys, hit that notification bell, and you have to click you have to click notify me all the time or something like that, because I'm pretty sure there's an option to hit some of the time. So guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go follow me on Discord. I also let you guys know when I upload on Discord too. Follow me on my social medias, all that stuff. And I respect the people who out here are helping the channel grow, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.